Welcome to Minutes Mastery by 3T. Today, we shall share the findings of Project Aristotle, Google's groundbreaking study regarding what makes a perfect team. In 2012, Google launched Project Aristotle to find out the essentials of any effective team. After studying 180 teams for several years, the data reveals something surprising, which is useful for all of us. It wasn't the smartest individuals or the best technical skills that made teams thrive. In fact, the secret was psychological safety. The belief that team members feel safe to take risks, speak up, and be vulnerable without fear of judgment or punishment. Psychological safety means that team members can share ideas openly, they can make mistakes, they can ask questions without worrying about negative consequences. According to Google's findings, this factor was far more important than anything else, leading to better collaboration, creativity, and overall team performance. Teams with high psychological safety are more productive and innovative, and they build stronger relationships. So how can we foster psychological safety in our respective teams? Number one, let's encourage open communication. Make sure everyone feels heard, especially the ones who are quiet or introverts. Secondly, let's embrace mistakes because to err is human. So let's normalize the idea that failure is a learning opportunity, not something to be feared or shouted on. Thirdly, show vulnerability. Leaders can set the tone by being transparent and open about their own challenges, their own failures, which helps others feel safe to do the same. So remember, psychological safety within teams or even in your family is a belief that one will not be punished or humiliated for speaking up, for questioning, for making mistakes, so that the team is safe for taking risks. Resultantly, each one can realize more of their potential. So join us on Minutes Mastery tomorrow too for more interesting facts and projects.